How to create a survey from a template in blocksurvey.io. First, click the link in the video description to open the Block Survey webpage. Once the webpage is open, log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply click the Get Started button to create one. Now that you're logged in, let's create a survey from a template. Click the Create from Template tool. In the pop-up window, you can choose a template by scrolling down or using the search bar. Blocksurvey.io offers various templates to suit your needs. Once you find your ideal template, click on Preview to see its design. Blocksurvey.io also provides 3 different styles for your template. One Question, which displays one question at a time, Classic, which shows all the questions, and Conversational, which looks like a chat box automated by AI. Once you've decided on your template and style, click the Use Template button to proceed. Next, we're here in the Editing page section, where you can customize and finalize the questions and answers for your survey. If you want to change the font and theme of your survey, go to the Settings menu, click the Brand option, and then select Fonts. Choose the font you like and click Apply. To change your survey's theme, click the Theme option on the left side section and select the theme you prefer. Click Apply to save the changes. Before finalizing everything, let's preview the survey. Click the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen. Inside the Preview tab, you will find various screen options like monitor, phone, and tablet to see how your survey looks on different devices. In the top right corner of your screen, you will also find the options for One Question, Classic, and Conversational styles. Choose the style that suits your survey's purpose. Once you're satisfied with the outcome of your survey, it's time to publish it. Click the Publish button located in the top right corner of your screen. Finally, if you want to download your survey as a JSON or PDF file, click the Export menu in the left sidebar and select Download as JSON or Download as PDF.